Two buskers, Max and Leo, were known for their lively street performances. One day, they decided to try something new, standing perfectly still like marble statues. Easy money, Max grinned. They painted themselves white and took their positions. Hours passed, and they didn't move a muscle. A curious child poked Leo, whispering, "Are they real?" Leo, trying to stay in character, sneezed. The crowd gasped, and a tourist exclaimed, "Look, the statues are alive!" Max chuckled. "Guess we're not cut out for the Stone Age." They returned to their music, realizing movement was their true art.